Hello guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to a brand new video. Today's video, we have just purchased an extremely rare Mitsubishi Lancer MR mivec 1993, to be 30 years old in a couple of months time. I used to own this car back in 2007 for a brief period, and I sold it to a friend of mine. He had the car on the road for approximately 1 year and a coolant pipe broke on the back of the engine block. He took it off the road and for one reason or another he never got around to fixing it. The car sat in his driveway in the south of Dublin for 15 years. Now, I've been trying to purchase this car for quite some time, and I have finally agreed a deal, and I collected the car and got it delivered to my house today. Just giving it a quick wash. Overall, I have to say it does not actually look very bad. The only bad part of the car is the roof skin. Now, this roof skin was always bad on this car, even before I ever had it. These did rust badly. Someone in the past has filled over corrosion, and what has happened is over the past 15 years it has rusted away under the fillers, lifting the fillers. You can actually see how thick that fillers is. It's probably about 4 millimeters thick, maybe more in places. So realistically the car needs a roof skin, or at very least a patch welded into it, maybe even a sunroof fitted, whatever works out best. My plans with the car is to get it driving again. It's gonna need new tires, brakes, timing belt, service, anything mechanical really, because it's been off the road for so long. But this was a very fast car back when it was on the road. It used to rev up to about 9,000 or maybe even more RPM. It was a little rocket, sounded absolutely beautiful. And that, I suppose, is why I wanted to rescue the car, because I had fond memories of it. It's a car that you just do not see anymore. There is none of them. They were always a very rare car. Even in Japan, they were very rare. Here in Ireland, they're pretty much like hen's teeth. I honestly can't remember the last time I saw one. Now, this one is not original by any means. Someone in the past has made it look like an Evo 3 replica. The bonnet is a replica. It's actually quite nicely done. Front bumper, in my opinion, is horrendous. It's in bad condition as well. It's a real period correct boy racer bumper, I suppose is the best way to put it. It actually has genuine Evo 3 side skirts in lovely condition, genuine Evo 3 rear spats, and it has a replica Evo 3 rear spoiler, which is actually a nice replica. It is heavier than the original, but it looks pretty much identical. The back bumper, of course, another period correct horrible modification. Some idiot cut 2 slots in the bumper and put some chicken wire in behind it, as you do. It has a stainless exhaust of some sort, brand I don't know. All I know is that these sound amazing. It has these bucket seats fitted. They're Cobra. The sun has bleached them, but they had very little mileage on them. Engine wise, previous owner took off the inlet manifold and to get at that rusted out coolant pipe, and he never put it back together. It's been sitting for 15 years. Unbelievable. Everything is intact. I have everything, every piece for the car. Obviously I will have to buy a coolant pipe for it, which is the bit that put the car off the road in the beginning, but I feel fairly confident that I will get the car up and running. The clutch feels perfect, the brake pedal feels good, there's no bad corrosion underneath. It was parked in a driveway sort of half covered by a carport, and the rain sort of blew towards the back of the car and over the top of the house, so most of the rain actually missed the car. So that probably explains why it's in such good condition, I suppose you could say, for sitting for 15 years. So stay tuned. I'll have more videos on this car, and hopefully we'll get to see it running again. And Jacob wants to rev it, don't you, Jacob? Yeah, he's a bit shy now. Well, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I plan on making a lot more YouTube videos. I've been thinking about it for quite a long time, and I do have quite a lot of projects that I could make some amazing videos from. And yeah, stay tuned.